Hey everyone, so today's video is the long-awaited Ipsy Glambag video. A ton of you guys have been tweeting me and commenting where this video has been. So unfortunately, I actually just got the product, so they came a little bit later this month, which is why I didn't have the video up earlier for you guys. So I'm really sorry about that. And then also, I'm only going to be showing you guys a selected amount of products this month. I decided not to do all the products this month because I'm gonna be honest with you guys. That video takes me like 3 hours to film. It takes me a really long time to film because there's so many products. And if you guys mainly only watch me for my Ipsy unbaggings, if you didn't know, I actually just had a baby girl and she just turned a month old. So she nurses 24/7. And right now filming a 3-hour long video is a little difficult. So I chose this month just to do a selected amount of products for you guys. So I'm really sorry about that, but I promise I'm going to be working hard to getting back to all the products. I just want to give it some time with her because she just needs me and it's hard for me to be locked up in a room for a few hours at a time. So I hope you guys can understand that. Also, I want to say a big thank you to Ipsy and Ipsy's brand partners for the products in this video that I'm going to be showing you guys. I promise we will get back to doing all the products. But now let's just go ahead and get into the products I'm going to be showing you guys this month. All right, so first off, this is what the bag looks like this month. It is a violet color with black hearts on it and then a gold zipper. And then it's actually pretty nice. It's like a faux leather bag, so it's actually pretty sturdy. And then we have all the products on the inside. All right, so first off this month in my glam bag, we have some sheet masks. And we know how much I love sheet masks. Honestly, you can never have too many sheet masks. And these ones are from Timeless Beauty Bar. So you get 2 in your bag if you guys end up getting these. The first one that we have right here is the Up in the Clouds, and this is supposed to be really hydrating to the skin, rejuvenating, plumping, and nourishing, which I need that hydration right now. My skin is so dry. We also have the Glam and Glow one, which is radiance boosting, even skin tone, and energizing. So that also would be really nice for any acne scars that you may have. And also I think it'd be really good to do it before you do your makeup because it will give you like a nice pretty glow underneath your foundation. All right, so next up we have the Pistachio skincare. This is the whipped pistachio body butter. So I want to smell this. I haven't smelled this one yet. This is supposed to provide a long-lasting hydration to the skin, and also that smell is supposed to linger all day long too. And I have to say, it definitely smells really good. It smells very like fresh and kind of fruity. Also a little bit of a thicker lotion too, so it's very hydrating. All right, so next up is one that I'm really excited about, and this is the SJP Beauty, and it's the Born Lovely created by Sarah Jessica Parker. This is actually a rollerball fragrance right here, which is very convenient for on the go. These are great to put in your purse, especially if you have a baby and they, as you guys know, they spit up and they might spit up on you and then you might smell like breast milk. So this is actually really good to have in your purse. I'm definitely gonna be putting this one in mine. And I had no idea that Sarah Jessica Parker had her own line. So this is really cool. So it just looks like this right here. It's a nice rollerball. Like honestly, this is a very reasonable size to get. I'm just gonna roll it on here. Oh, it smells good. It smells very florally. It's very flirty, perfect for a date night. And it's very floral. The floralness, and then oh, it has a little bit of a spice like aftertaste to it too. Aftertaste, after smell to it too. This smells really good. This is really nice. So this is definitely going into my purse. I really like that. That's like a full-size thing, and those things aren't cheap. Next up from Juno & Co, we have the Microfiber Beauty Sponge, and this is one is very interesting. I'm really excited to try this one out. I usually do like my application clips beforehand, but I had to get my makeup done today really quickly, so I'm gonna be doing them afterwards. So I'm really excited to try this out because it's so cool looking. It's lightweight and made of microfiber material. Like look at that. Doesn't that look so cool? And I also like it that it has this big flat side right here, which is make it really easy to like bake underneath the eyes with. And the texture of it is so different than any other sponge. So this will be really interesting to see how this works. Next up is another product that I'm really excited to test out as well. This is the Ciate London Mini Translucent Setting Powder. This is what it looks like right here. It's a great little travel size just to kind of test it out and see if you guys like it or not. This is a finely milled powder right here that will be perfect to set your concealer like underneath your eyes. So if you have a tendency to crease and stuff, since it's so lightweight, it should set your makeup really nicely. So I'm actually really excited to try this one out as well. And also I really love the little packaging. It's so cute. All right, so next up we have blushes, and these are from Lottie London. So if you get these in your bag, you'll get one shade or the other. So these are their Blush Crush, and the first one that we have is in the shade Zac. This is awesome. Look at this. You get like a really huge pan size that you could just pop right into a Z palette. And then also it has the name of it on the back too, so you'll know which one you're using. So let's look at this color right here. That one's really pretty. It's a nice like cool tone pink. That one's gorgeous. That was like a perfect shade for the wintertime. I love the cool tone blushes, and definitely easy to blend out too. This other color I think I'm gonna love though. This one is in Zane. This one is definitely like a go-to blush color that I would use for every single day. It would go with like any look. Oh, this one is beautiful. Again, very pigmented, easy to blend out. I really love that color. I think that one's gonna be really pretty with fair skin tones. All right, so next up are ones that I'm really excited about because I actually really love these products already. I've already been using them. These are from the BALM Cosmetics. So these are liquid highlighters, and they are amazing. They are super lightweight on the skin. They leave a really pretty, like dewy, healthy glow to the cheekbones, and they're just gorgeous. The first one that we have here is the Mary Dew Manizer, and this is the Liquid Mary Luminizer. So this is a liquid version of their powder highlight, and this one is my favorite. It is beautiful, you guys. It's a, oh my gosh, just check that out. It is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna blend it out too, and you guys will see. It blends out so beautifully on the skin. And then here is a darker version, and this is the Bonnie Luminizer, which is a liquid Bonnie Luminizer from their powder. This one is more of a gold, so this one will look really pretty on deeper skin tones. So you can see right here. Look at that one. They just literally like blend beautifully into the skin to where they're not like sitting on top of the skin. It just goes beautifully on your cheekbones. So I really love these, and I'm so happy to see them in the bags. Next up, what I got in my bag are these Lasting Smiles lip balms, and this one right here is the organic peppermint cream one, and this one says add a bit of freshness to your lips with natural peppermint oil and a dollop of vanilla cream for a smooth finish with coconut oil, shea, and cocoa butter for soft, hydrated, and healthy lips. And then the other one is Peach Blossom, and it says sweetly fragrant and delicately balanced with natural peach oil to deeply condition and revitalize your lips with coconut oil, shea, and cocoa butter for soft, hydrated, and healthy lips. These are very moisturizing on the lip, and also if you guys end up getting one of these in your bags, you'll get one or the other, but awesome. I'm excited to try out the peppermint one because I really enjoy peppermint lip balms because they kind of like freshen you up all together and wakes you up a bit. All right, so next up is another one that I'm really excited about because I really love the formula of this one. This is this Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick, and the shade is Out Loud, which is perfect for the fall time, you guys. This is gorgeous. Honestly, one of my favorite things about these liquid lipsticks from Smashbox is the applicator. This applicator makes it so easy to apply the liquid lipstick to your lips. Like it just carves it out perfectly. But look at this color. It's a really pretty like rustic orange brown, and it's perfect for the fall time. This formula is so nice and lightweight on the lips, and it's so long lasting. It also doesn't crust off either. It fades really nicely on the lips throughout the day. So I really enjoy these. So next up we have the Pixi by Petra right here, and this is the Lip Lift Max in Honey Sheen. So this actually is a lip plumper. I had no idea they had lip plumpers, so this is awesome. So it's actually peptide infused, and then it has a cooling sensation and leaves like a glossy finish. I'm actually gonna put it on right now. Oh yeah, I can definitely like feel the mintiness to it. That kind of like menthol feel, you know, that you get from plumping. I have to say the one thing I miss the most about pregnancy right now is how big my lips were. They're definitely a lot smaller than what they used to be. I was getting so many questions asked by people like, are you getting lip fillers? I'm like, no, this is pregnancy. I was seriously retaining so much water in my face, you guys. Like my face was so swollen. So my lips were swollen, my nose was swollen. It was just crazy. So I had huge lips. I do miss that though. Oh wow, that is really pretty. That just kind of revived my liquid lipstick right there. So that was really nice. And also you do get that tingling effect with it, but it's bearable. It's not like, oh my God, this is painful. It's irritating my lips. It actually is really nice, and like, it's actually like a gentle tingle. So it's not too bad. We have two more products from the BALM Cosmetics right here. So you're gonna get either one of these in your bag. So this is what this one looks like right here. That is actually a really pretty color for the fall time right there. It's like a shimmery purple, and you can use these wet or dry. This is what that shade looks like right there. Really pretty. It's like a plum shade, like a deep purple, like an eggplant. Yeah. And then the other one is foiled eyeshadow, and this is in CAHOOTS. Oh, and by the way, this one is in Brave. I forgot to say the shade name of this one. So that one's in Brave and this one is in CAHOOTS, and it actually has the shade names like right on here too, if you can see that, if my lights don't wash it out. So this one is a shimmery like gunmetal color. Ooh, this is also pretty. Oh, it's got like a little, I feel like it's got like a tint of like taupiness, like greenness to it too. Ah, it kind of matches my sweater too. That's really pretty. That would be really gorgeous together. By the way, if you guys are wondering where I got my sweater, because I always get questions asked about whatever I'm wearing, I actually got it from my shop. So if you didn't know, I have a boutique called Shop Juliet Rose. I always have it linked down below. We just did a huge photo shoot on Wednesday, and I was so bummed I couldn't go, but it's just a little hard to travel up to LA with Riley right now. But we just launched a ton of new items, you guys, so definitely go check it out. And if you sign up for the email list, you'll be able to get 10% off. And we're doing like a really huge launch for Black Friday. Like we're gonna do a massive Black Friday sale. So get ready, stay tuned for that. We got some really cute pieces in, but you can still, I believe we still have a few of these on the site, but I love this sweater. It is so comfortable and it goes great with leggings because it's nice and long. So I definitely recommend checking it out. And it's also like lightweight too, so you don't get like super hot in it, and you can definitely layer it. So I really like that, but that color will totally go really pretty with a sweater. Last but not least in my bag, we have the Pure Mini Full Charge Mascara right here. And I love this wand. Let me show you guys what the wand looks like. It's so nice and fluffy. So it really adds a ton of volume to your lashes. It helps strengthens, it helps thickens them. It also helps lengthens and separate lashes too. So this is really nice, and it's also cruelty free. All right, so those were all the products I got in my glam bag this month. So I do get a little bit more products if I don't show you guys all the products, because I'm here to kind of like talk about the benefits of them, how to use them, all that fun stuff for you guys, since I do work with Ipsy. So thank you so much to Ipsy and Ipsy's brand partners for these products. I promise I will be bringing back all the products you guys very soon again. It's just gonna take a little bit of time until I get a little bit more like on a routine with Riley and with her feeding schedule. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for your patience, and I will see you guys in my next video.